Okay.
We're not all certified doctors,
Hmm.
medical doctors, but we should be able to treat ourselves. So it is not wrong to say you should be your first doctor.
Hmm.
Then if you then
Right.
need further assistance, then you
Yes.
can go to those who are vast in it, who have
Exactly.
dedicated their life to the study of this to help you
Yes.
in your self-medication. You see,
True.
so
Facts.
this is
Facts.
how I saw and believe the roles of established DBRs. The one when I use the word established, the ones that you say would have the
Commercial.
spine and the knowledge that people would come to them to ask
Okay.
inquiries on different things. But that person coming to him to ask that thing in his own right
Yeah.
is, has the same
It's
potential.
bad too. Uh-huh.
Yeah, has the same
Hmm?
potentials of which even your interaction with somebody with that professional in that sense
Hmm.
expands your own knowledge and deepens your own
Facts.
practice as well as in
Facts.
your own right as a dibia of yourselves.